So today we will learn how to make a table printing program in C++. So for this, what I'll write here, I'll start it with this. I'll include my comments first. So in the comments, table printing program. So how I'll do this, see, I'll start with int main, then I'll write here I'll declare my variables. So int I and j have been declared. Then I'll start my for loop int I equal to z from 1 to 10. So I equal to 1, then I less than equal to 10, then I plus plus. So now I can start my inner loop. So inner loop will be for j equal to 1, j less than equal to 10, and j plus plus. Then after this I will write my statements for printing my table multiplication, number multiplication. That will be, I'll start with cout, then here I will write multiplication of I and j, I multiplied by j, and then I multiplied by j, and it will be printing, say, a table of 2, 1 ja 2, 2 ja 2, 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, like this. It will print from 1 to 10, and this will be done. And once this has been done, then I'll come out of this loop. Once that is done, then we will move to the next line. Then when I have moved to next line, here we need to separate numbers as well. So like this, I will put a tab sign here, tab escape character, and then once this has been done, then you can return the statement. So let us return statement. So that means what is happening in this one, let us understand once. Loop will start from I equal to 1, condition will be tested. If this condition is true, it will come down, and this loop will rotate it from 1 to 10. Now again, here in case of j, loop is starting with j equal to 1, condition will be tested, it is true. When it is true, it is coming down. So I was 1, j was 1, so it is first value will be printed 1. After that, this loop will again rotate it, j has become 2. Again it is true because j2 is less than 10. It will again come down. I is 1 multiplied by 2. Then similarly it will do again. I will be 1, j will be 3. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 10, it will be done. But when it will come out of this one, then it will move to next line and it will go back. I will become now 2, because with the incrementer it is getting incremented. I has become 2, and when I has become 2, again it will be tested. It is true, it will come inside of inner loop, and then it will come inside, means in the inner loop now. And here what will happen, again it will be running from 1 to 10. So now I multiplied by I is 2, so 2 multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 3, then similarly it will go up till 10, then it will come out again, I will be incremented, it will become 3. So 3 multiplied by 1, 3 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 3, like this will go for all the numbers. So like this we will be printing our table printing program. Now we can run this program, we can check out what the output is coming up. Here the tabs symbol has been, tab escape sequence character has been used for moving one tab, for the horizontal space, for the horizontal spaces or spaces between numbers, and the backslash n is being used for moving to the next line. So we can print this and see what is the output. Here you can see the output in this program has been made in C++. So table is coming up from 1 to 10, and rather you can put here my table printing. So you can put here say out, you can write here table printing program like this, and then you can, and then after that you can, if you want to print things after one line, so even you can do put next line character here as well. Now when you will run, see table printing program, like this you can get the answer. So thank you very much for this, for seeing this.